No, they haven't. We've got the trucks in there. I mean, Graham Farish don't do a double O scale rolling stock.
Oh, right.
But they obviously used to. I mean, some of that was expensive back in its day. I mean, Graham Farish now is expensive. But
Is that a shop? I'm not.
Scapegoat is a person or animal which takes on the sins of others or is unfairly blamed for problems. The concept comes originally from Leviticus, in which a goat is designated to be cast into the desert with the sins of the community. Other ancient societies had similar practices. In psychology and sociology, the practice of selecting someone as a scapegoat has led to the concept of scapegoating. Etymology. The word scapegoat is an English translation of the Hebrew azazel, which occurs in Leviticus chapter 16 verse 8, azazel, for entire removal. This reading is supported by the Greek Old Testament translation as the sender away, and Aaron shall cast lots over the two goats, one lot for the Lord and the other lot for azazel. English Christian Bible versions traditionally follow the translation of the Septuagint and Latin word, which interpret azazel.
Quite remote, lusty and clear from the goat head's throat,
Scapegoat is a person or animal which takes on the